Scary. I feel like this is not the most kid-friendly house. How's this gonna work?
They'll have fun.
House is awesome.
That's beautiful.
I hope the one in pink is cool.
Actually, Guru is gonna.
No.
Damn! Rejected by the Groomeister.
I have a feeling they're gonna change.
Oh gosh,
Bald guy.
Is that the Vorax on her shirt?
That's a cool
reference.
That's how someone watched
No, hey!
Yeah.
Kyle,
bad
these
sign.
are not trees. Yes. Well, this is Kyle, my
Beast.
dog.
Yeah, like,
Yeah.
what is it?
Ooh, fluffy doggy.
Oh no.
What kind of dog is that?
These are... I don't know.
I don't know.
It's a mix.
Oh gosh.
Oh my god. Whoa.
Yeah, I feel like that's not the thing to go in.
Oh
No, no. Stay away from their interaction.
Oh my god.
Well, I suppose the plan will work with two.
Poked a hole in my juice box.
As you can see, I've provided everything a child might need.
Oh my god, this guy. You gotta do little letters, not put the
As I
minions
was
on
saying,
it.
hey,
Somebody broke that.
Acid in your
clearly
kitchen.
we need to set some rules.
Yeah,
Rule number one,
look at his
you will
like,
not
kitchen setup
touch
here.
anything.
What about the floor?
Yes, you may
no.
touch the floor.
What about the air?
Yes, you may touch the air.
He's
What
gonna
about
take
this?
it.
Oh my god.
Where did you get that?
Found it.
Okay, rule number two, you will not bother me while I'm working. Rule number three, you will not cry, or whine, or laugh, or giggle, or sneeze, or burp, or fart.
These are fair rules, I think.
No annoying sounds.
Sneeze or
human.
burp.
Does this count as annoying?
No, Agnes, you're perfect.
Yeah.
I will see you
That will
in
get you.
6.
Okay. Don't worry.
I want to stand alone
Everything's
movie
going to
with
be
just
fine.
a little one.
We're gonna be really happy here.
She's not even in the
At least